Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. We are on Chapter 2, Graphing Lines, Lesson 6, Independent Practice of Slope-Intercept Method. So, here, I'm going to write over here, right above it, can you see? Yes. Y equals mx plus b, and I'm going to begin at the back with the b, and this b is -4. b equals -4. And my m equals 3, but I want to rise and run, so it's 3 over 1. I'm going to rise 3 and run 1. So here I start, begin at the back with the -4. Oh, darned, I didn't highlight everybody. I got to highlight everything. All my y's get highlighted, so I know where I'm doing my y-intercept. Highlight, highlight, highlight. I'm going to do all of them at once because, of course, yeah. I'll forget. You've met me. I don't even remember my own name sometimes. It's terrible when I get old. Here we go. So, begin at the back with the b, -4. Rise 3, 1, 2, 3, run 1. Rise 3, run 1. Rise 3, run 1. And I can't go in the opposite direction. There's no space for that. So, I'm just going to connect the points. Here we go. Ta-da. Arrows on both sides. And, oh, don't forget to put the equation on the line. You'll lose points if you don't do that. Y equals 3x minus 4. For the next one, y equals mx plus b. Begin at the back with the b. And this one's a nice positive 1. But my slope, my m, is -4. So I'm going to make that into the fraction -4 over 1. Negatives go down. And I'm still going to run to the right. So I'll start at 1, and then I'm going to go down 4, run to the right. Here we go. B starts with 1, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, run to the right. 1, 2, oh, I can't go another point. But I like to have 3 points, so I'm going to reverse it. Instead of going down, I'm going to go rise 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then instead of run to the right, I'm going to run to the left. I'm just going to reverse the whole thing. Now my points make a nice line. I can play connect the dots, put a little arrow on each side, and write the equation on the line. Y equals -4x plus 1. Okay, for the next ones. Oh, look at that. There's a whole bunch of stuff missing. Y equals mx plus b. Even a good b. Y equals -1x plus 0. There's a 1 between the negative and the x, and there's nothing there, so I put my own 0. So I'm going to begin at the back with the b equals 0. And I'm going to use the m for more points, -1 over 1. That means instead of rising, I have to go down because it's negative, but I'm still going to run to the right. So here I am, beginning at 0, and I'm going to go down 1, 1 to the right. Down 1, 1 to the right. Down all the way across. I got a little diagonal dot thing going. So I'm just going to go 1 up, 1 to the left to do the opposite direction. I'm going to connect my little dots. And arrows on both sides, and label the equation y equals -x. And move that up there. Okay. Y equals mx plus b. Begin at the back with the b. b equals 2, and m equals -2. And I'm going to put that over 1 so that it's a fraction. Negative goes down, but I'm always going to run to the right. So I begin with 2, and I'm going to go down 2, 1 to the right, down 2, 1 to the right. I have 2 negative slopes in a row here. Down 2, 1 to the right, or I could go up 2, but then I have to go to the left. All Connect the points. Nice straight line here. These are all linear equations. They're all straight lines. If you're not getting straight lines, check your graph. You're probably doing something wrong. All right, last two. We're almost done with our independent practice. Y equals mx plus b. Don't forget to scoop up that negative. My b is not 1, it's -1. B equals -1. I'm going to begin down here, -1. But my m is a nice +3, so it's going to be rise 3, run 1. Change my number into a fraction. Rise 3, run 1. So from here, up 3, 1 to the right, 3, 1 to the right. And I could reverse it. I could go down 3, 1 to the left. Down 3, 1 to the left. Get myself some more points. All right, play connect the dots. Arrows on both sides. Write the equation on the line. Y equals 3x minus 1. All right, write my equation above there. Y equals mx plus b. Begin at the back with the b. B equals 4. And to get more points, m equals -2, and I'm going to put that over 1. But because it's negative, I have to go down. I'm still going to run to the right, but I'm going to go down. So here I am beginning up at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 2, 1 to the right. 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 All the way across. I could still go up 2, 1 to the left to get an extra point, but I don't have to because I got lots of points. I'm good here. We're good with this one. It's a good one. Connect all the points. Arrows on both sides, and write the equation on the line. Y equals -2x plus 4. Perfect, beautiful, bingo. Talk to you later. Bye.